Hello everybody, Bitcoin is experiencing some selling pressure like we've mentioned in yesterday's video. We are right now getting supported at an important level in the Bitcoin chart. I'm going to explain you why this level is important and to which level we most likely will go if we would break below this support level. We are going to have a look at the Bitcoin US dollar short positions. And I want to have a talk about Ethereum in the US dollar comparative because I think this is a very interesting chart at the moment and might tell us something about Bitcoin as well. So guys, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And right now, let's jump into the charts. And guys, before we zooming in on the Bitcoin charts, please drop a like so this video is getting pushed by the YouTube algorithm and as much people as possible are going to see this video. For the ones that are new to the channel, please do subscribe. I'm uploading daily videos about the crypto markets. So guys, when we zoom in on the Bitcoin price, then since yesterday not much have been changing. I've been telling you guys that I'm expecting increased selling pressure right here. And that is exactly what happened. We do see that the price is coming down. If we have a closer look at the 1 hour time frame, then we can see that we are getting supported from the middle of the channel. And that's as well a level I've mentioned in yesterday's video, that I think that at the middle of the channel we will see some support. If we were to break below the middle of the channel right here, then the next level we need to watch is the former declining resistance, which could turn in support right here. And that level is right now at approximately 10,960. And of course, a very important support level is the bottom of the channel, which is aligning with the uptrending support line, which we have been creating since the middle of March. So this channel is right now very important. If we were to break out of this channel to the downside, I definitely expect a bigger drop in the price of Bitcoin. But so far so good. We are still in this uprising channel. If we have a closer look at the middle of the channel, then we can see that it is not only the middle of the channel which is showing the significance of this support, but we can create a zone out of this level because as you can see in the past we have been supported by this level as well. And if we zoom back, then we can see that we also found some resistance from this level. So right here it is more clear. This green box right here is right now the support, and that is the level of approximately 11,150 up to 11,200. And as you can see right here, the moment we broke above this level has been acting as support. And eventually we broke below this level and this level turned into resistance. Right now we are trading back above this level and this level is acting as support. But there's a high probability that we will test this level again and eventually break below this level. And the main reason for this is that the momentum indicators are showing us right now that the momentum is pointing to the downside. If we go to the 4 hour time frame and we bring out the RSI, then we can see right here we have a bearish divergence with the price creating a higher high and the RSI creating a lower high. But we as well have a bearish divergence if we have a look at the previous high right here. Where in the price we've created a lower high, but in the RSI we actually created a higher high. This divergence is as well visible on the daily time frame and is showing us that right now most likely the bearish momentum is stepping into the price of Bitcoin. And guys, yesterday was the 15th of October and we've been talking about that Mt. Gox was going to send Bitcoins back to people who fell victim of the exchange hack in 2013. And that potentially could cause selling pressure. Well guys, I have an update to that, and that is that the date of 15 October has been postponed to the 15th of December. So right now all the investors who fell victim for the Mt. Gox hack in 2013, they still didn't get their Bitcoin back. So yeah guys, a quick summary. Right now the momentum of Bitcoin is pointing to the downside, and the levels that I'm watching is first the middle of the channel right here at approximately 11,200. If we were to break below this level, I'm watching the former resistance turning into new support, which is at approximately 10,960. And if we were to break below this level, we will test the most important support level right here, which is the uptrending support line, which has been created since the middle of March. And Bitcoin has been trading above this level from the moment we have seen the breakout. Then guys, I want to have a talk again about the amount of Bitcoin shorts. Because we have been testing the lows right here, but right now we have surpassed the previous lows, which means that we are at record lows at amount of Bitcoin short positions. And guys, I think we shouldn't underestimate this signal right here, because if we compare the Bitcoin chart with this chart, then we can find a interesting correlation. Because all the previous time we have seen the amount of shorts at record lows, that was actually a bearish sign for the price of Bitcoin. Because for example right here we have seen the amount of shorts at record lows. That was right here after we've peaked out at 30,800. We had a second peak. That was the moment we have seen the shorts at record lows. But in the price it was actually the exact top. If we have a look at the next one, we can see that we have seen the amount of shorts being at record lows right here. But if we have a look at the price, then again it was indicating a top. Then the next example is slightly different because we have seen the amount of shorts at record lows as well. And although it wasn't a swing high like we have seen in the previous tops, it still showed that it was a local top. So after we have seen the amount of shorts at record lows, we have seen a decrease in the price of Bitcoin. Then the next one right here, we didn't surpass the previous lows of the amount of shorts, but we did saw extreme low levels of the amount of shorts positions. And eventually that was also indicating that we were at a top in the price of Bitcoin. And right now we have surpassed the previous lows, which means that we are at a record low in the amount of shorts. And guys, think about it. This is a huge warning signal because it shows that not many investors are bearish on Bitcoin. And that might sound bullish because, yeah, most of the investors are bullish on Bitcoin. But imagine guys, if the majority of the investors are bullish on a certain asset, then they are most likely already positioned in that asset, which means that there are no buyers left to buy. And that there are eventually more sellers than buyers. And when there are more sellers than buyers, then that is driving the price down. Guys, if you want to get a better understanding of these crypto markets, as well as learning how you can create your own profitable trading strategy in these crypto markets, you can sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course. Right now I still have a birthday special and you can get the course with a discount of 40%. Do take in mind guys that this discount is temporary and will end soon after my birthday at the 26th of October. Then guys, I want to have a look at the Ethereum against the US dollar chart because I do think we actually are seeing some interesting signs right here. And right now we are looking at the logarithmic time frame and we can see that Ethereum was trading in this uprising channel. But right here we have broken below the support of the uprising channel. We have backtested the former support as the new resistance, which is actually a bearish sign. And if we zoom in right here on the Ethereum price and we bring out the RSI, then we can find a bearish divergence on the daily time frame as well, where in the price we are creating a lower high and in the RSI we are creating a higher high, indicating us that the bearish momentum is stepping into the price of Ethereum. But guys, this is actually quite significant because we are exiting the uprising channel we have been trading in since the middle of March. And as you guys know, right here on the channel, we have been predicting the exact top right here in the Ethereum chart. And the reason that we have predicted here the exact top in the Ethereum price was due to these Fibonacci levels, because if we measure the Fibonacci levels from the all-time high right here at Ethereum to the bottom and we extend it right here, then we can see that we got rejected at exactly the 61.80%. So I've been shorting Ethereum exactly from the top right here, and if we zoom in, then you can see that right here when we touched the support of the uprising channel, that was the moment I've closed my short position. And that was an awesome trade, giving me a profit of approximately 35%. But guys, right now when we have a look at Ethereum, it is actually quite concerning, because from the all-time high to the bottom, we have been retraced to the golden ratio, which is known to be as a retracement level. So it is possible that we have been retraced to the golden ratio and that right now we are going to continue its downtrend. And guys, I'm not saying right now that I'm bearish on Ethereum and that I'm thinking that Ethereum is going to enter in a longer term downtrend right here. However, it is important that you take the scenario as a possibility into your analysis. And guys, even though we get bullish news from Ethereum, for example right here the chairman of the CFTC is mentioning Ethereum, in a positive way. And we got Ethereum 2.0 coming up as well. So there is some bullish news, but yeah, however, that doesn't affect the price of Ethereum right here in the shorter term time frame. Of course, fundamentals are very important in the longer term time frame, but it most likely won't have an effect on the price in the coming months. And therefore, I think there is a probability, because this is just what the charts are telling us, that we might see a downtrend coming in right here due to the fact we got rejected from the 61.80%. And to invalidate the idea that this is a retracement of the downtrend we have been seeing, we have to break above the 61.80%. So guys, like I said, right here in the shorter term time frame, I'm slightly more bearish on Ethereum than bullish, because we have broken out of this uprising channel. We are seeing a bearish divergence and we got rejected at exactly the golden ratio. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. For the ones that are interested in getting my cryptocurrency trading course with the birthday discount of 40%, more information to be found at the blockchaintoday.com. There's a link down below in the description as well. Then guys, if you liked today's video, please leave a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what you think is going to happen with the price of Bitcoin. I wish you all an awesome day and I will see you all in the next video.